Good morning. I am out here at my string bean plant, and it looks like I have some that are ready to be picked in here. So I'm gonna make sure I get out here when the sun goes down and make sure I pick those so more can grow. I just fertilized my plants, so I just wanted to soak up some of their nutrients, and then I am going to harvest some of these string beans. Look at there. Pretty long, healthy looking string beans. It looks like I have some leaves that are turning brown. That's why I gave it a little bit more nutrients. The last time I fertilized it was like a month ago, so I just gave it a good water. I'm gonna let it soak up some of this sun. Then I'm gonna come out here around 6 and harvest some of these string beans. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.